Good day, viewers. You are welcome. We have these interesting questions given that f prime of x equals cos of x plus f, and where this f is still the same thing as the function of x, then we are given the boundary condition f of 0 equals to 0 and f of x is what we are looking for. This is a differential equation. How do you solve this? If you have spotted the answers, you can just drop it in the comment box. And let's see how we solve this step by step. Let's consider the solution. So the first thing we are going to do is the whole of this, which is x plus f of x. If I replace it with another variable, let's say u equals x plus f of x. We need f of x. And the real question, which is f prime of x, becomes cos u. Then we differentiate this. By differentiating u equals x plus f of x, we are going to have the u divided by the x, that is function of x, equals 1 plus f prime of x. This is what we have. And then note that we want to express all these things in terms of u, but f prime of x is given as cos u. Let's replace this here. We have the u over the x equals 1 plus cos u. Then let's apply the separation techniques. So we are going to divide this one by 1. That is, we want to separate the variable. So by multiplying this 1 plus cos u with the x, then later divide by 1 plus cos u. And the end result is the u over 1 plus cos u equals the x. We have to integrate both sides to get u. So when we integrate both sides, we have the integral of the u divided by 1 plus cos u equals integral of the x. And when we integrate the x, this gives us x plus a constant. But how can we integrate the u divided by 1 plus cos u? So we can apply different ways here, but the simplest thing I'm going to apply is by introducing the trigonometry identity. How do you apply your own at this stage? How do you manipulate this to get a way answer to this integral? Let's hear the answer in the comment box. Note that if you have 1 plus cos u, let's say we have 1 plus cos u. So this gives us 2, we are going to have it as 2 cos square u divided by 2. So this is the identity of 1 plus cos u. Then we have to replace it here. So this is what we have. And if I try to take it back to the u divided by 1 plus cos u, so we have the u divided by 1 plus cos u, which the new value here is the u over 2 cos square u divided by 2. But note that if you have 1 divided by cos x, this equals sec x. And we are going to apply this one as well to becomes 1 divided by 2 sec square u divided by 2, then du. So we can now try and integrate this. So when we integrate 1 divided by 2 sec square u divided by 2 du equals x plus a constant. Here we have u over 2. We have to replace this with, let's say, v equals u over 2, and this implies that the v here equals let's say I cross multiply and multiply these two by v, we are going to have the u equals to 2 dv. So if I replace it, we have integral of 1 over 2, we have sec square v, then multiply by 2 dv equals to x plus c. And then we have these two cancel 2. If 2 cancel 2, we have to integrate sec square v, and that gives us tan v equals x plus c. If this is what we have, but v here is given as u over 2, by replacing it, we have u divided by 2 equals x plus c. We need to know what is this value of u. If you recall from where we let u of x equals x plus f of x, if I introduce the boundary condition here, where we have x equals to 0, when f of 0 equals 0, you can see that all this part here, which is u of 0, this gives us 0. Then if you come back to tan u over 2 equals to x plus c, so we can just try and replace it at that part as well. So from here, since we have u to be equals to 0, so when x equals to 0, we have this as u over 2 equals to 0 plus c, just to know the value of constant. For here, everything becomes 0, and c here also becomes 0. If c equals to 0, so we then have tan of u over 2 equals to x. And we need u. We take the arc of both sides, tan inverse of both sides. So this gives us u over 2 equals to the tan inverse of x. And by multiplying 2 through both sides, we have u equals 2 tan inverse of x. But here, what is u? U is given as x plus f of x. So by replacing u with x plus f of x, we have x plus f of x equals 2 tan inverse of x. By making f of x the subject of the formula, we are going to have f of x equals 2 tan inverse of x minus x. I think at this point we have gotten what we are looking for, which is f of x. Does this answer correlate with yours? If there is, let's hear the answer in the comment box. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.